Hello, my children. Today we'll start together Lesson D in Unit 3. In this lesson, we will learn together words for quantities to know how many and how much. And we will learn together how to make spaghetti with meatballs. Let's learn the new words and learn the quantity words. Then we will come here to answer the exercise. Quantity words like many, few, much, little. I use many or few with the countable nouns. I use them with what? Countable nouns. So I can say we need many onions, not only one or two or three, many onions. They want few tomatoes, not many. The opposite of many is few. So many and few, I use them with countable nouns. But I use much or little with uncountable nouns. For example, I have much rice on my plate. Much. There is little pasta. Little. So much or little, I use them for what? Uncountable noun. To describe what? The quantity of something. Many or few, I use them for countable nouns. To describe what? Quantity. So when I use how many and when I use how many or how much, they are question words to ask about a quantity. So we use how many with the countable nouns. For example, how many onions do you need? And we said before that how many after we have plural noun. I need 2 onions. How many tomatoes do you need? I need 5 tomatoes. But I use how much with uncountable nouns. So I say, how much meat do you need? How much meat? I need 500 grams of meat. I need a kilo of meat. How much rice does he want? He wants 250 grams of rice. So how much for uncountable nouns and how many for countable nouns. Here we have some words in this lesson. So please repeat after me. Mix. To put two things together and mix. Mix them together. Mix. Mix. Boil. Boil. You put water to boil it. Boil. Cover. Cover. We have to cover the food. Cover. Chop. Chop. To cut. Chop. Chop. Mince meat. Mince meat. Small pieces. Mince meat. Fry. To put an onion on oil and fry it. Fry. Fry. Let's answer exercise number 1. Listen and write the quantities. Spaghetti with meatballs. So what are we going to do? We will make what? Spaghetti with meatballs. The ingredients that we want 2 onions, a green pepper, 2 tomatoes, 500 grams minced meat, an egg, 500 grams pasta, 200 grams cheese, salt and pepper. This is according to your listening. You can write the ingredients according to your listening. How can we make spaghetti with meatballs? What are the instructions? We should start with what? So number 1, chop onions. Cut onions, green pepper and tomatoes. Then fry onion and green pepper. Add the tomatoes and cook for 30 minutes. After that, mix the meat with salt, pepper and an egg. Roll the meat into balls. Number 4, drop the balls into the tomato sauce and cook them for 20 minutes. Number 5, boil the pasta in a pot of water with salt. The last one, serve the pasta with the sauce and the meatballs on top. Put them on top. Cover with cheese. So we will come back for the instructions. But let's complete exercise B. Complete the questions and answer them. You're going to use many or much. Many or much. So we said many for countable, much for uncountable. So how many or how much onions do you need? Onions, countable noun, yes? So how many onions do you need? 2 onions. Or 1 onion according to your listening. Number 2, how meat do you need? How many or much? How much? Because we have meat. Do you need? We said 500 grams. Yes, number 3. How pasta do you need? Pasta, uncountable noun. So how much pasta do you need? Number 4. How tomatoes do you need? Tomatoes, countable. So how many tomatoes do you need? So many for countable, much for uncountable. Great. In exercise C, you're going to number the pictures in order. You will read the instructions again, and then we will put these pictures in order. We said number 1, we chop onions. Chop onions, to cut onions, green pepper and tomatoes. Which one? Yes, this one. So you're going to write number 1 here. Number 2, fry onion and green pepper, add tomatoes and cook for 30 minutes. Which one? Yes, here, number 2. Number 3, mix the meat with salt, pepper, and an egg. Roll the meat into balls. Yes, number 3. Now we have the meat. You will roll, circle them to balls. Number 4, put the balls into the tomato sauce and cook them for 20 minutes. Number 4. Yes, here, number 4. Number 5, boil the pasta in a pot of water with salt. Yes, number 5 here. Number 6, serve the pasta with the sauce and meatballs on top. Cover with cheese. It will be the last step. Excellent. Here we have burger ingredients. To make a burger sandwich, what we need? We need lettuce. It's a complete one here. Lettuce leaf, only one leaf. Lettuce leaf, bun, slice of tomato. This is a complete tomato. Slice of tomato. Ketchup, meat patty. How to make a burger? We have here some steps to make a burger. To write these steps in a paragraph, for example, you can use these words. First, then, after that, next, finally. So look at the shape here. First, we have to do what? First, open the burger bun. Then, do what? Put the cooked meat patty on the bottom half of the bun. It will be number 2. After that, put a slice of tomato on top of the meat patty. It will be number 3. Then, put a lettuce leaf on top of the tomato. Will be number 4. Next, put some ketchup on the top bun. Finally, place the top bun on the lettuce leaf. Will be number 6. So to write these steps in a paragraph, you have to use these words, sequence words. What happened first, after that, next, then, and finally. Now, let's answer some exercises together. Choose the correct answer. Number 1. How much, many, often, milk is there? Milk, uncountable noun. So how? Yes, Marwa. Much. Yes, much. Number 2. How many, much, often, apples are there? Apples, countable. Yes, Mahmoud. How many? Yes, many. Number 3. How many or how much or how often green peppers are there? Yes, Asma. How much? How much? How come? Green peppers, plural. How, how many? Yes, how many green peppers are there? Number 4. I want to eat. I want to eat much, often, many eggs. Countable. Yes, Azza. Many. Yes, great. Many. Number 5. She drank much or many or few milk. Milk, uncountable. Ahmed. Much. Yes, much. Number 6. I need many or few or much cheese. Uncountable. Ibrahim. I need much. Yes, much cheese. Number 7. How many or how often or how much orange juice is there? Orange juice. Uncountable. How, Mahmoud. How much? Yes, how much? Number 8. How many, often, much oranges are there? So how, Amal, how many? Yes, excellent, because we have oranges, not juice. How many oranges are there? Number 9. How many or much, often or often, onions are there? Onions. Yasmin, how many? Yes, how many onions? Countable. 10. How often or how many or how much water is there? Water. Uncountable now. So how? Yes, Abdullah. How much? Yes, how much? Excellent, boys and girls. Thanks for watching and wait for the next lesson. Bye bye.